Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Russ here. He's been with us numerous times. And this song, it's in the dirt. We have in the dirt here. So, like it usually is with his songs, we have chord progression or something that goes round and round in the same way through the entire song. And this is the same here. But yeah, we have a capo high up here on the 8th fret. So why? Because we want the high notes. We want very easy chords to handle since we have notes to emphasize here as well. So that's the reason for capo high up on the 8th fret. So let's go with the 4 chords we need for the song. All right, so we'll start with the F major 7. So that will be 3rd fret on D string, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the G, and I'm gonna go with this grip here, and this specific fingers as well. That's just me, but what you need to hold down is 3rd fret on E. Sorry for that sound. 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And I use my ring finger here on the 3rd E, my mid finger on the 2nd A, and my little pinky down there on the 3rd E string, the high E. All right, that's the G. And then we have the A minor. So that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the E minor 7. So that is open E, 2nd A, and then everything down there is open. Open D, G, B, and E. So there we have the chords. Now we have certain notes to highlight. So with that said, we'll not always stick to the actual chord we just learned. This is the base of it, and then sometimes we will add notes and take away. So we'll start with the first half, so to speak. So this is a song that goes almost in the same way, but we have different notes and to highlight in the different parts of the song. So we'll have one part that is the first half, so to speak, and then we have the second half. So we're gonna look at the first now with the F major 7. So you will work with just downs here for the song. Okay, so the first down will be with the standard F major 7, and the note you want to highlight here is the open E string down there. So really make sure you get that. And then you're gonna do another down on the F major, but now you're gonna add the 3rd fret B string and try to avoid the open E string. So now you have that downstroke on the D, G, and the B string with now the 3rd fret B string. That is the note you want to highlight. So like that. And we'll go over to the G chord. I go with this grip, and this first half we'll just use the bass notes of the G. So 2 downstrokes on the G chord, on the bass strings, the E, A, and D string or so. So that's it for G. And then we'll go to the A minor. You're gonna play 3 downstrokes on that one and really make sure you get the open E string, because there lies the melody on that note. So 3 downs. And then you end this first half with 1 down on the E minor 7. Make a full downstroke there as well. And that is the first half. So slowly, the first half goes like this. Right? Then the second half starts in the same way when it comes to the F major. So no changes there. But then the G continues with 1 down on the bass, like we played in the previous G. But the second down here, it's important to get the last strings down there because the melody lies on the 3rd fret E string. So that note is important. So a full downstroke on the second time you play G. And that's it for G. And then you go to the A minor. Instead of playing it for 3 downs, a full downstroke, you play it for 2 downs. And then you make the ending here with the slide on the E string, and you stop on the 5th fret, so like that. And when I do the downstroke, I incorporate perhaps the G, but the B and E are important here, so the last strings down there. And I'll slide up to the 5th, so like that, and make a pause, and that is the ending of the second half. So that's it. Okay, I'm gonna take you through both of these parts here, a little bit slower than standard tempo, so you really hear and understand what's going on here. So let's go. Yes. There you have Russ in the dirt. He's in the dirt again. Yeah. Anyway, a nice song there, so give it a try. I hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. I really appreciate that. So thank you for the time, and play tuned.